Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can create an account in Google Chat. So, first of all, you need to download the app and you can find it in your app library. Just open it, tap on Get Started. Now choose the mail you want to use to create this account. I'm going to choose the first one. Now you can see that you've opened the Google Chat and you have also created an account. All you have to do is enter your Google account and that's it. You can find these accounts over here and use any of your mail, and then you can use Google Chat. So guys, that's how you create an account in Google Chat. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and leave a comment down below. If you want more videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.